Good afternoon, everyone. It is Wednesday, October 23rd, fourth period here at KIT Iizuka English 7C. Let me go over the assignments and whatnot for today. And there is my screen. Okay, first of all, actually, let's see. Mr. Hara, you were not here last week, but I expect that you'll still be able to do reflection number 1, reflection number 2, etc., all of the assignments that you haven't done. Now, today we're on class number, oh, wait a minute. This is 5C. Sorry about that. Let's take you to 7C. Sorry about that. 7C, fourth period. Here we go. Okay, so you still have all of your assignments that you haven't done yet, all of the listening quizzes and such. And this week, we have a vocabulary quiz number 2. Okay, that will be on the Quizlet material that we've already studied before from units 3 and 4, okay? This week's Quizlet that we're going to study is from units 5 and 6, but Quizlet 3 and 4 was from class number 2 up here. So if you want to find the Quizlet that we did then, take a look at it and then do the vocabulary quiz number 2. You also have a reflection that I hope will show up on here. Yeah, there it is. Got some textbook unit number 4, and it looks like this. The reading for the textbook is on page 35 and 36. So I want you to read that. We're actually going to work on it together here. Read that, and then I want you to be able to use that information in your head to answer your reflection. Remember, that's always due on the Friday, so 2 days from today, Friday at 11 p.m. Also, okay, your vocabulary quiz, like all of your quizzes, you can take that up to 3 times. Moodle will remember your best score, and that will be due on November 4th, okay, also at 11 p.m. Today, I want to go over the Quizlet material, and then I want to really start showing you some of the communication exercises that I like to do with my students. If anyone has any questions about that, you can always contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, let's have a good class, everyone.